Hey, I am Brownie.
I am Mr. Primate. Brownie, put the banana down. I need to tell you something important.
But I only have 3 bananas left.
That is exactly what I want to talk about. What if I told you the smartest monkey in the entire jungle loses bananas every year, but one simple, ordinary monkey who just behaves well with his bananas retires with 1 million bananas? 1 million bananas? That is paradise. That is heaven. I would actually cry. Good, because this book, The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel, is basically a guide to becoming that monkey. And today, I am breaking it all down for you.
Okay, I am listening. But can I still hold my banana?
Sure.
No one's crazy. Every monkey makes money decisions based on their own life experience. 2 monkeys can look at the same banana and make completely different choices, and both of them make sense. Can you give me a banana example? I understand things better with banana examples. Obviously, Monkey A grew up in a jungle where bananas were everywhere. Free, easy, unlimited. Monkey B grew up where bananas were super rare. 1 banana per week if lucky. Now Monkey A spends freely. Monkey B saves every single one. Are either of them crazy? No. They are just reacting to their own experiences. That makes total sense. Looks at his banana with new respect. Exactly. Now, luck and risk. Some monkeys are born right next to a giant banana tree. Others work twice as hard but never find one. That is not fair, but it is real life. So never be too proud of your wins and never judge someone too hard for their losses. So, my neighbor Kevin, who has 500 bananas, might just be lucky? Not smarter than me? Kevin is definitely just lucky. I have met Kevin.
Never. Next. Never enough.
This is dangerous. You have 10 bananas, then 50, then 100, but you still feel like it is not enough, so you take crazy risks chasing more, and one day you lose all 100 bananas at once. That sounds like me every time there is a banana sale. I buy too many, they go bad, and I end up with 0.
That is genuinely the most relatable thing you have ever said. Now the big one, the power of compounding. If you plant 1 banana seed today and leave it alone, in 10 years you have a full banana tree. In 30 years, an entire banana forest. Wait, I just plant it and do nothing? You plant it early, you water it consistently, and most importantly, you do not dig it up every time you get scared. Warren Buffett started investing as a kid. By age 50, he was just patiently waiting. Over 99% of his wealth came after age 50 because compounding had more time to work. So patience is literally worth millions of bananas? I need to sit down.
Do not earn many bananas. Do I need a big income to save?
No, that is the mistake everyone makes. Wealth is not about how many bananas you earn, it is about how many bananas you keep. A monkey earning 100 bananas and spending 99 is poorer than a monkey earning 30 and saving 10. So the secret is not eating all my bananas immediately. This is personally very difficult for me.
I know, Brownie, I know.
Also, tail events. Sometimes one moment changes everything. One great decision, one banana tree that hits big. You do not need to win every single day. You just need to stay in the game long enough for that one big moment to arrive. And the best strategy to follow? Reasonable beats rational. The perfect banana strategy you quit when things get scary is worse than a good enough strategy you follow forever. Pick something simple that you can actually stick with, even when the jungle looks terrifying. Okay, real question. If I have a huge pile of bananas on display for everyone to see, does that make me wealthy? That makes you rich looking, not wealthy. Rich is the banana pile everyone can see. Wealthy is the secret banana farm no one knows about. Rich is flashy income. Wealthy is silent assets growing in the background every single day. So, all those monkeys posting their banana piles on social media are probably eating their savings to look good. Yes! Also, margin of safety. Always keep emergency bananas, because one day a storm will hit, your trees will fall, and if you have 0 backup, you are finished. Leave room for things to go wrong. Freedom, Brownie. The ability to wake up every morning and choose. Do I want to climb trees today? Do I want to chill in the shade? Do I want to spend time with my friends? That choice, that freedom over your own time is the whole point of having money. Not the banana pile. The freedom. I think I just understood the meaning of life, and it involves bananas. Do you understand? Then tell me in a comment. Okay, wait, let me repeat everything back. Do not judge how others use their bananas. Luck is real. Never chase more forever. Plant your bananas early and wait. Save more than you spend and build a life where you control your time. Right? That is literally the entire book. I am genuinely impressed. One more. Plan is wrong. Every plan fails a little bit. So plan for failure. Stay flexible, stay humble, stay optimistic, and be frugal. Not cheap, just intentional with your bananas. Brownie, you just explained Morgan Housel better than most adults do. I am proud of you. Guys, if a monkey can understand the psychology of money, so can you. Drop a banana in the comments if this helped. Subscribe and hit the bell, and we will see you in the next one. Remember, you do not need to be the smartest person in the room. You just need to be the most patient one. Now, if you will excuse me, Brownie is about to eat his investment again. Okay, yes, but just